Now let's see the next question, sir. Log 2 is equal to 0.3010. Log 2 is equal to 0.3010. Log 3 to the base 10. Here also log 2 to the base 10. 0.4771. Then log 225 is equal to log 225 is question mark. Log 225 is question mark. See the solution, sir. Log 225, this can be written as log 9 into 25. Log 225 can be written as log 9 into 25. Log 9 plus log 25. Log 9 plus log 25. Log 9 can be written as 3 square. Log 25 can be written as 5 square. This is equal to 2 log 3 plus 2 log 5. 2 into log 3. Okay, 2 log 3 plus 2 into log 5 can be written as log 10 by 2. I want everything in terms of 2 and 3. So 5 is written as log 10 by 2. 2 log 3 plus 2 into log 10 minus log 2. 2 log 3 plus 2 into 1 minus 0.3010. 2 into 0.4771 plus 2 into, this is 1 minus 0.3010. 0.699. 2 into 0.4771 is equal to memory plus. 2 into 0.699 is equal to memory plus MRC. This is equal to 2.3522. 2.3522. Let us check up these calculations once again, sir. 2 into 0.4771 is equal to memory plus. 2 into 0.699 is equal to memory plus MRC. 2.3522. This is the answer to this question. Next question, sir. Next question. Log 2a minus 3b is equal to log a minus log b. Then a in terms of b. Question mark. A in terms of b is question mark. Now look at this, sir. Solution part of this. Solution part of this. Log 2a minus 3b as it is. Log a minus log b can be written as log a by b. Log a by b. Both the sides same base, sir. When no information is given, base is always 10. So you can eliminate logs on both the sides. 2a minus 3b is equal to a by b. So 2a minus a by b is equal to 3b. Bringing a by b to this side and taking 3b to this side. Taking 3b to the other side. Now if I take LCM, 2ab minus a divided by b is equal to 3b. Cross multiply, sir. 2ab minus a is equal to 3b square. You can take a as common, is equal to 3b square. A is equal to 3b square divided by 2b minus 1. A is equal to 3b square divided by 2b minus 1 is the answer to the given question. Now look at the next question, sir. Log 25 under root to the base 10 minus log 2 cube to the base 10 plus log 4 square to the base 10 whole to the power of x is equal to question mark. Whole to the power x is equal to question mark. 25 under root can be written as 5. 25 under root can be written as 5. So log 5 to the base 10. 3 into log 2 to the base 10. 2 into log 4 to the base 10 whole to the power of x. Whole to the power of x. Now this can be again written as log 5 to the base 10 minus 3 into log 2 to the base 10. 2 into log 4 can be written as log 2 square to the base 10 whole to the power of x. So this is log 5 to the base 10 minus 3 into log 2 to the base 10 plus 2 into, look at this, sir, log 2 square can be written as 2 log 2 because this is of the type log a power b. So this is equal to 2 into log 2 to the base 10 whole to the power of x. Log 5 to the base 10, 3 into log 2 to the base 10, 4 into log 2 to the base 10 whole to the power of x. Now log 5 to the base 10, 4 log 2 minus 3 log 2 means plus log 2 to the base 10 whole to the power of x. Now bases are same. We can apply the log result. Here bases are same. Log a plus log b can be written as log ab whole to the power of x. Log 10 to the base 10 whole to the power of x. 1 to the power of x is 1. 1 to the power of x. 1 you multiply n number of times, you will get 1 only. So 1 is the answer to the given question. Next question, sir. 2 into log x plus 2 into log x square, 2 into log x cube plus etc. 2 into log x to the power of n is equal to question mark. Okay. Now this is, if I take 2 as common, log x plus log x square plus log x power 3 plus log x power n. So 2 into log x, log a power b can be written as b log a. So log x square can be written as 2 log x. Log x cube can be written as 3 log x. Log x power n can be written as n into log x. If I take log x as common, this is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus etc. plus n. So the terms inside the brackets is nothing but sum of the first n natural numbers. 2 log x into, it can be written as n into n plus 1 by 2. Standard result, sum of first n natural numbers. So these two cancel, leaving with n into n plus 1 multiplied with log x. N into n plus 1 multiplied with log x. This is the answer to the given question. Next, log x to the base 10 minus 3 divided by 2 plus 11 minus log x to the base 10 divided by 3 is equal to 2. Then x is equal to question mark. Then x is equal to question mark. This is my question, sir. A very simple problem. This is a very simple question. Taking LCM. LCM means with 3 I have to multiply this term and with 2 I have to multiply this term. 3 into log x to the base 10 minus 3. 2 into 11 minus log x to the base 10 whole divided by 6 is equal to 2. Whole divided by 6 is equal to 2. 3 log x to the base 10 minus 3 3s are 9. 2 into 11 22 minus 2 log x to the base 10 is equal to 6 into 2. Taking this 6 to the other side. 3 log x minus 2 log x means log x to the base 10 plus 13 is equal to 12. Log x to the base 10 is 12 minus 13 minus 1. One side we have log, another side constant. So we can eliminate log from the picture. We can eliminate log from the picture. Log x to the base 10 is equal to minus 1 implies x is equal to 10 power minus 1. Implies x is equal to 10 power minus 1. X is equal to 10 power minus 1. This is the answer to this question, sir. Okay. Next problem. If n is equal to m factorial, if n is equal to m factorial, then one divided by log n to the base 2 plus 1 divided by log n to the base 3, 1 divided by log n to the base 4 plus 1 divided by log n to the base m is equal to question mark. This is my question, very simple question. What is given? N is equal to m factorial. If n is equal to m factorial, then this 1 by log n to the base 2 plus 1 by log n to the base 3 plus 1 by n log to the base 4, etc. Now sir, log is in the denominator. So let us take log to the numerator. Log 2 to the base n plus log 3 to the base n, log 4 to the base n plus log m to the base n. Whenever if I take log term to the numerator, then this base will become number will become base. Log a plus log b plus log c. It can be written as log 2 into 3 into 4 into etc. into m to the base n. Log 2 into 3 into 4 into etc. This is equal to log m factorial to the base n. Log m factorial to the base n. But m factorial is given as n. So this can be written as log n to the base n. Logarithm of any number having same base is equal to 1. Logarithm of any number having same base is equal to 1. Okay, sir. Now, remaining in the next video, sir.